Hello and welcome to my next video of the caro-kann. Last time we looked at c5 instead of knight bd7. This time we are going to look at knight d7 castles h5 instead of h5, the move bishop e7. This time we look at bishop e7, which is also a viable option. Here I would recommend the move knight bd2, and there are now again two options, either h5, which Deep Hayek's played, or the move f6, which Monarch played against Deep Fritz. Both games were lost by black, so let's cover f6 first. Here I'd recommend the move knight b3, just preparing to snap this knight off if it's ever landing here on this h6 square, and also preparing to move the c-pawn, either one step or two steps. Also maybe in some lines preparing knight a4 going after this pawn here, or knight c5 going after this pawn here, and also preventing c5 from black. So here the Monarch played a5, trying to play a4 to kick the knight, a4 by white, and here knight h6. There is another option of going g5, which is interesting. Here going g5, here I would recommend the move rook fe1, and after my plan of knight h6, I would recommend this kind of thing with h4 and knight f7, because if you move this, then the bishop takes h6, and if you take there, then bishop takes f3 and white just won a pawn, and black cannot castle, and this is clearly bad. For example, if you take there, then there is this bishop h5 check, queen here and queen there, which attacked this piece. So let's defend it, and now it's a mate in 10 with queen takes here. So this is also threatened, so let's defend this, but then rook takes, so it doesn't really matter what you do. This is just doomed after queen g4. It's just all over. So that's why you cannot continue pushing. You have to play knight f7, defend this pawn, and h takes g5, bishop takes g5, knight takes g5, knight takes g5, and bishop h5 check, followed up with king f8, and white is better because after bishop here blocking, then there is this knight queen g4, again going after this weak pawn right there, and this is also lost for black. So that's why, yeah, bishop here, that's why king f8 should be played, and now this is better for white. Just bishop g4, rook here, bishop takes, pawn takes, and queen here, attacking the knight twice. Okay, it's defended, but yeah, this endgame should be better for white. So let's go back a couple of moves. To search where I was, c5 here, queen b6. I think this I covered last time. Bishop e7 here. Yeah, knight d2, and now f6. And here knight h6 immediately. Bishop takes f6, g takes f6, g takes h6, d takes, and the game continued like this. And as you see there, black's pawn structure around its king is compromised, and white has 2 pawn islands, black has 1, 2, 3, 4 pawn islands, or 3, depends on what you count this. So, okay, here we had the move Queen e1, and the game continued with this invasion, and at some point everything fell apart here with a rucksack, but getting it back, and here Black's king is just too open, and here I adjusted it as a win for white. Okay, thanks for watching and see you at the next video. Ciao!